your area, Africa is too hot, no?
Yeah.
Temperature goes up.
It's just like now what we are having here in India. Yeah, this is how our temperature is always and all the
Here it
time.
goes up to 45 maximum.
No, we don't go that far to 45. We go to 38, 37.
So here is 45.
No, because we have a constant summer.
Okay,
Understand?
all the
It is
year.
constant
All the
summer.
year.
Yeah, all throughout all the year. So yours is like it comes seasonal.
Here it comes every type of season.
Okay.
In India.
So when that season comes, you see the worst and the lowest of it.
Okay.
But because we are always living in it, we have a
You are
fixed
used
and
to it.
constant kind of temperature. So if you come from a place where you have different kind of temperatures, you might think that we are having a worst temperature. But now in India, if somebody comes from Africa and enters into that 45 or 40, it's worse for that person.
Okay.
Because they are not used to that constant 40.
45, it doesn't go up.
Okay, constant 40. Yeah. If somebody comes to that high temperature
In the month of June or May,
yeah,
you will find it around 40.
Good. But with us,